Good morning. Buenos días. Morning. Happy Friday. Happy Friday. How are you guys doing today? All good? Like always, Friday, I always say this, but I don't really like trading on Fridays. And today the market gap down big, that it has a big gap. And I found when the market has big gaps, I found a little bit difficult to trade. Mm, but those gaps are near support. So I wouldn't be looking to trade puts at support. I want to see the market kind of bouncing a little bit. I think it's gonna be difficult for the market today to fill those gaps because those gaps are like three um $3 of gaps. So that's a lot. But we'll see what opportunities we get today to trade. Um how I'm looking the market right now, I think if you don't want to lose money, just don't trade today. Take this Friday off and have a longer weekend. But yeah. So I had a bunch of stuff on my watch list. I don't know if you guys watched my end of the day recap video that I posted yesterday. Um I talk about the three trades that I took yesterday, what I was looking in the market and my watch list, and each stock on my watch list had like around three different ways to trade. But I think all that doesn't work because of the big gap that we have. So my main focus is gonna be SPY and QQQ. Simple, easy, straight to the point. I wanna see if SPY is gonna hold that 432 support, and if QQQ is gonna hold that 360 support. So yeah, if we see, I'm more interested, if I see the market bullish, I'm more interested on QQQ because it's a little bit stronger than SPY. If the market is bearish, I'll be more interested on SPY because so far SPY looks weaker than QQQ. We'll see how each one reacts when the market opens, but so far, yeah, SPY is weaker than QQQ. So we'll see. Morning, morning. I think you guys are taking Fridays off too. There's no only 48 50 people here. I mean, if I didn't have this stream, I'll be sleeping right now. So, yeah. Morning, welcome, welcome. Happy Friday. Buenos días. Sleeping is a waste of time. I love to sleep. I like sleeping. I'm not a morning person. I'm a night owl. I like do stuff at night and sleep during the day. But I gotta trade, so I'm waking up earlier now. With the stream, I gotta prepare before the stream, so I gotta wake up earlier now. Oh yeah, TSM. I saw TSM. It was down very a lot, like a lot pre-market. So yeah, those TSM that you took yesterday looks fantastic. I'm mad that I got stop out on TSM. So it looks like yesterday TSM was a double top. Like here, that 103.40, what 103.30 resistance looks like a double top on the daily. I don't know. I don't know if you want to wait until Monday. I don't know. I wouldn't take any like big decision today on Fridays. I don't really like taking big decisions on Fridays. No, it depends. Like I don't know if you see Visa like making a bullish engulfing candle today, it's a good entry. If you see it at support and holding support, it's a good entry. I don't know, it's up to you. Like I wouldn't be looking for entries without knowing what's the market trend for the day. So the market is opening in like 1 minute. Let's see, what are you guys looking for today? Any good place? So today the 360 361 level, it's a big deal for QQQ. For me, that's the level that it's gonna tell me if we're gonna keep going in this downtrend on the daily, or if we're gonna hold here and change the trend. Because I think the market's gapping down because of the data that it came like 1 hour ago. Yeah, because the daily candles on SPY and QQQ, the daily candle from yesterday, both are engulfing bullish candle. If I were you and I had those TSM put, I will just take profits at open and then just end the day like that. And then have some margaritas, have some drinks, and start my weekend earlier. Okay, Meta and Microsoft. Um, TSM. Okay, let's see. Yeah, Meta is holding. Mm, mm. I like FDX and Meta, but let's see if the market is gonna bounce here and hold this pre-market low. Like always, I'm gonna be patient and wait for what's the trend for the day. I'm not gonna take any like make any big decision this early. Okay, so SPY and QQQ very different from each other. SPY definitely losing the pre-market low. QQQ is holding the pre-market low. If anything, I think it's a good risk to reward playing calls, honestly, because your stop loss could be this pre-market low here, but I'm not eager to take anything. Oh, I haven't checked FTX spreads. Okay, let me check. Okay. Okay, Spy fighting there. I also like what Apple is doing. Apple looking strong also. I like Meta. Mm. I really like right now Meta, FedEx, and Apple. It's just like I wanna wait. Yeah, I wanna wait a little bit. Okay, I'm looking Meta for next week. 285. Yeah, I got Meta 285 for next week. My game plan for FTX, you have it on my Discord. I posted last night on a video that I made with my watch list and the end of the day recap. Okay, so my stop loss on Meta it's gonna be if QQQ loses pre-market low. I got calls. I also got um FTX 235 for next week. I got filled at 200 at $2. Let's see. Ooh, Meta very weak. That's an ugly candle. Damn, what's going on with Meta? That's that candle. It's kind of weird there. Okay, if Meta can hold 279, I'm gonna get out. That's a weird move on Meta. Is there news? I don't know AI. I'm not looking, not trading AI right now, honestly. Mm-mm. Okay, that was a weird move on Meta. Very weird. But if this candle closes like this is bullish. This hold here. Ooh, okay. But that might be bullish for Meta if Socks resign. Honestly, people hate him. I don't know why, but yeah. Don't get anything on Meta. Like I got before that news gonna change my entire like TA doesn't matter with that news. So when you're on a trade and it's moving like that with news, it's TA doesn't matter. It's no doesn't work. You gotta wait until the stock kind of like find its real trend for the day. So also, if you're not in Meta, don't get in Meta because QQQ is not looking too hot, and with that news, Meta could do anything. Oh, it's you're kidding? Okay. But it's still, Meta it's moving weird. And it's definitely weaker than the market. So now QQQ is weak and SPY is looking stronger. I think the market today is moving weird. I don't like it. I don't like how it's moving. Very weird. I like this hold on SPY. QQQ doesn't look too hot, but it's holding pre-market low. So if it is holding pre-market low, it still could go higher. Okay, QQQ, it's about to lose pre-market low. If loses pre-market low, I'm gonna get out of Meta. Is it gonna hold or is it gonna lose it? Yeah, the market's moving so weird today. I will not recommend to trade today, honestly. It's moving very strange. Okay, QQQ fighting that market low, and Meta fighting that 279 support. FDX kinda looks like it's flagging. But Apple is losing it, so that might help. That is not gonna help QQQ. Yeah, I'm gonna get out. PMI, but PMI I thought it was like 1 hour before. So I'm still holding Meta. I have like my finger on the trigger. I wanna see how this candle is gonna close. It's gonna close above pre-market low, or it's gonna close below. So far it looks ugly. So I don't recommend it. But that's how I trade. I like to wait until the candle close because it could fake me out. Oh, PMI it's right now. I thought it was before market open. Okay, so I'm trying to get out of Meta, but I see Meta holding and QQQ it's dying and Meta is going higher. I don't like it. I don't like how the market is moving. Ooh, AMD at 108. AMD looks very weak. So I'm still holding Meta here. Meta is still holding 279. Doesn't look good. So if you don't want to lose money, get out. Or more money, get out. So Meta, I'm sorry, QQQ, definitely weak. It could go to that 360.5 level. Okay, so QQQ, it's kind of at support. Meta, it's bouncing here from 279. Okay, so I like that bounce on Meta, even though QQQ it's not looking bullish. Okay, what is it gonna be? Is it gonna be like a ugly day or indecision day? SPY is not doing anything. Meta is holding. QQQ looks like it wants to hold that 361, 360 support. FedEx is holding. Apple is dying. Okay, so QQQ definitely weak. Meta holding now. What a weird morning so far. Well, we only have like 20 minutes of market open, but still the move today it's been weird. Mm, I don't love anything. Like I don't like any chart. Are you guys in anything or just waiting? Waiting, patiently waiting. Okay, so QQQ needs to hold this like yesterday's low for more downside. Like I think this 360.50 level it's important. Nice. 30% TSM, nice. That was good. Like, okay, so QQQ it's at support right now. So yes, 360, 361 is support on QQQ. But SPY it's in the middle of a range. Like SPY is not even near, so it's not at support or resistance. So SPY could move even, so SPY could go either way. So if it goes up, it's gonna go to 434. If goes down, it's gonna go to 432. So let's buy it on the middle here. Yeah, that means SPY is stronger than QQQ. So for that, you don't even need to think too much. Just check the daily. If you put the daily chart on any broker, it's gonna tell you how much is up or down. So here, it says SPY, it's green, and QQQ is red. That's it. I don't really even need to see if it's under or over pre-market low. Okay, I really like this hold on Meta, but it needs to hold above pre-market low. Okay, we want to see Meta holding here, holding this pre-market low as support. Nvidia did. Yeah, Nvidia is, well, it's holding 420. 420 is your level, but if loses 420, it's gonna go to 410. Okay, I like this move on Meta, but we need QQQ to hold pre-market low as support. But so far, I like this 361, 360 hold on QQQ. So those contracts are coming back to life, those Meta contracts. Okay, I'm gonna do something risky. Don't follow me on that. I'm taking Meta daily. So today's expiration, 281, 282.50. I got it at 114. Let's see, man. I want to see you holding this support here. I don't like that rejection there. Okay. I'm gonna get out from the ones that expired today, and I'm only gonna hold for to the next week. Yeah, I don't like that reaction there. Mm. So I'm holding Meta for next week calls and FTX for next week also. Nvidia is looking weak. HD bouncing really good from that 299 level. FDX is looking great. SPY it's holding, it's not doing anything. QQQ definitely weaker, and it's rejecting that pre-market low, so that's bearish. It's using pre-market low as resistance now, and this um candle with a wick at the top, it's bearish. Remember Visa, it's a long-term hold for me, so I'm not even looking Visa. I put my alert on my stop loss, my take profit target, and that's it. I'm not even gonna look Visa. Okay, I like that Meta. Definitely like how Meta is holding 279. And Spy is looking way better than QQQ. It's fighting there, it's holding. It might go to 434 and fill that gap. Come on, Meta, go higher. Okay, I like this. Definitely like this move on Meta. It's holding pre-market low now as support. VWAP and INEMA are acting as support also. So yeah. I like also FedEx. I know it's not doing much, but it looks bullish. I just said FedEx looks bullish and went down now. uh, okay, this is a waste of my Friday. This is a waste of time. This action today is dumb. This is why I always skip Fridays. Like I used to skip Fridays always before doing the stream. I might do it again. I might start skipping Fridays again. Okay, I need a little bit more coffee, so I'll be back in like 2 minutes. So my FDX, I have an alert here around 2:30. If loses 2:30, I'm gonna get out. Um, I'm gonna put my alert here around 279 on Meta. If loses 279, I'm out. Oh, and I have my phone here, so I know if any alert pop off, I can get out. Okay. Yeah, I'm thinking about only doing streams from Monday till Thursday. Okay, so I got my second coffee, decaf. I drink decaf coffee because I only drink coffee uh because I like the taste, but the caffeine doesn't do much to me. Like I can drink coffee at night, which I always do. I like drinking coffee after dinner and I can sleep like a baby. But I try to drink, ooh, mira. I try most of the time I drink decaf coffee just because um I don't see the point on drinking caffeine if it doesn't do anything to me. I only like the taste of coffee. I think Meta really wants it. It's just the market is not helping. Okay, guys. So SPY, it kind of filled the gap that it made from this morning. So this 433.95, 434, it could be a rejection point. If SPY breaks this gap and hold it as a support, it's very bullish for the day. If rejected, it's definitely bearish. I kind of like what Nvidia is doing right now. Like Nvidia is holding 421. Look, 420, 421, it's a good support on Nvidia, so the risk to reward here, it's great. Very good. So if you want to play some calls here, well, you need the QQQ to go higher, but so far QQQ it's looking good, and also a SPY. But Nvidia, yeah, it's a good risk to reward. So you pretty much enter here. Your risk is morning low, your reward is morning high. So that's 3.7 risk to reward um play here, which is very good. Very, very good. If you're feeling risky and you want to play some upside, Nvidia is a good option right now. Definitely. FDA could be doing only an inside candle today. Ooh, yeah. I love this. That 279 hold on Meta was like perfect. Look at this, how it acted as support yesterday, on Wednesday too, on Tuesday too. So yeah, love this chart on Meta. And I'm kind of glad that I took for the play for next week, because if Meta closes strong, like if the daily candle closes around yesterday high, that's very bullish, and I might swing my Meta calls. Well, look, anybody took Nvidia here? This is bullish. QQQ it's holding now pre-market low as support. Anybody on Nvidia? This Nvidia play was so, it's great. What's TSM doing? Nice. Yeah, TSM is waking up. It's holding. Yeah, TSM is another one. So you can enter here. Your stop loss is 101. Um, and it's probably, if the market keeps going higher, it's gonna go to yesterday's high again. 103.17 around there. 103.30. Yes. Yeah. TSM looks just like Nvidia. Both are bouncing at support. Now you want to see TSM breaking morning high. Yeah, this is a nice move on Nvidia. Yeah, look how beautiful this NVIDIA Play is. Okay, so beautiful NVIDIA 421 support, beautiful 361 support on QQQ. Bye, Danny. Thank you for being here. And don't forget to like the video. Like. Okay, so NVIDIA on the daily also looks like a bullseye here. If keeps holding 420, 420, 421 is bullish. Very bullish. If you have 0DTE NVIDIA or TSM, I will take profits. Like, there's no need for home runs today. With this market, how it's moving today, yeah. Okay, so Nvidia looks like it's having trouble here around pre-market low, but QQQ kind of looks like it's flagging, but this rejection candle is kind of ugly. Mm-mm-mm. Okay, SPY, QQQ, looking bullish now. But remember, SPY is right now, right at the gap fill. So I think this level here, it's important for the day. Can it hold this level as support? That's bullish for the rest of the day. Is it gonna keep rejecting there? That's bearish, and I can see it going back down to I could see it going back down to 432. Yeah. Ooh, what's the goodies of the day? So I have all the Pop Tarts flavors, the red velvet, the brown sugar cinnamon, and the birthday cake. I also have one of these Anna bar. It's the same brand that I tried yesterday, but I'm kind of scared of trying this one because yesterday's bar was so bad. That thing tasted like laundry soap. Like it tasted horrible. So I'm kind of scared to try this one. It's another flavor, but it's the PB and jelly chocolate bar. But I don't know. I'm not feeling risky today. I have enough risk with my trades today, not with my bars too. So help me pick between the birthday cake flavor for the Pop Tart, the cinnamon, or the red velvet. So which one is gonna be? You have three options. Ooh, so Mark is making a bull flag? Okay, so I guess I'm the one that is gonna pick the flavor for today, cinnamon, red velvet. Okay, so I'm gonna try. Okay, two red velvet. Okay, so I guess the red velvet is the winner here. Winner of the day. Okay, looks great so far. Look. Oh, the macros. I forgot reading the macros. So this one is okay. The brand is Legendary Foods. So okay, 170 calories, 7 grams of fat, 24 grams of carbs, and 20 grams of protein. I think this one has very good macros because it only has 170 calories and 20 grams of protein. Mhm. Mm-mm. Pretty good, honestly. This one said also to put it on the microwave for 10 seconds, but I don't really uh I don't really put my Pop Tarts on the microwave, so I'm not gonna do that with this one. But maybe it's a little bit hard, so maybe it gets like softer if you put it on the microwave, but I like this one. It's good. Hey, Mr. TNT. Nice name. So far I'm holding Miracles and FDX for next week. So um Spy it's kind of holding there. QQQ looks weaker than Spy, but if you see the daily, it's the market is not doing anything. Like at least a Spy, it has an uptrend on the day, but QQQ it's doing nothing. It's very choppy. No, I don't trade SPX. This one is very good. Like I really like the flavor. It's a little bit, I don't know, like chunky. So maybe put on the microwave, it made it way better. Just the texture, but it's very good. Okay, so Spy is rejecting that 434, 433.97 level. QQQ weak, very weak. We might have like inside candle on QQQ. Holding 360, inside candle from yesterday's engulfing bullish candle. This is so boring. Today's action price action is like horrible. The market's been open for an hour and with no clear direction still. So far I like both of my plays, like FDX, and gonna take Nvidia out this chart. So if you're on Nvidia and if you want to hold or you're looking to like swing trade Nvidia, just watch this morning low. If uses 421 as resistance, so if it goes lower to 420, 421 and it use it as resistance, that's very bearish. If keeps using it as support, that's very bullish. So the 421, 420 levels for Nvidia are important today for the day. And okay, these Meta, it's looking okay. That I really like the daily chart on Meta. I like that it's also looking as a bull flag. I like that it's holding 279, but it's not doing much because the market is not doing anything. But it still looks like it's making a higher lows in an uptrend. 285 definitely is resistance, but it's not doing anything. Needs the market to move. So it's either gonna stop me out at 279 or it's gonna go back up to 285 and I'll be taking profit there because I'm boring or just looking the market and not doing anything. But so far it looks better than other things. Like Meta looks better than QQQ. And be careful if you're using zero DTE because the market is not doing anything. So your premium is gonna die. Your premiums are gonna die with the market not doing anything. So I like that SPY is holding here. It's making a bull flag, but it's still under yesterday's resistance. So that's bearish, but the intraday chart is looking bullish with the bull flag. So I don't see like a clear direction for the day. So what I want to see on a SPY is either holding 434 as support because it's right at resistance, filling the gap. So I want to see it holding 434 as support or just reject and go lower to 432. So Meta, yeah, Meta it's holding. It's bullish, holding pre-market low. Yeah, Meta definitely wants to go. It just need QQQ to move higher. Come on, SPY. Just break 434. Break it. Just break it. Oh, I'm gonna put these. I'm gonna log these on my. I'm using my Fitness to track my macros. Um, and I noticed that I've been eating a lot. And it's difficult to take all the proteins that I need to take for the day. Like intaking like 140 grams of protein per day, it's hard. I don't know if Nvidia is gonna go to 425. The Nvidia chart, it's telling you it's bullish until keeps holding 420, 421. So your next resistance on Nvidia is morning high and then 430. So morning high is your big next resistance and then 430. Again, for Nvidia or Meta or any tech stock that you want to play or you're in, you need QQQ to move higher. QQQ having too much trouble here. Let's see what's AMD doing. Because, so AMD filled the gap and it's holding here. We want to see AMD making a bullish engulfing candle. We need a daily engulfing candle for confirmation of change of direction. So if you guys watch my end of the day recap, I told you guys that AMD was a good play if you want to play like a quick bounce, like quick gap close reversal here. No, he meant 425, not 225. But I will not play AMD today. Even though it looks like it's flagging also, and it's at very strong support now. But I think the play on AMD is just waiting. Like I said last night on the end of the day recap video, the play on AMD is waiting for for a daily candle confirmation of this support. So you want a strong candle here. That's confirmation for a change of direction. Otherwise, this could be only a quick bounce from support. So I think AMD play, it's gonna be for next week. Okay, Meta, I love this. Go, Meta, go. I wanna see you breaking 283 and use it as support. Go, Meta, go. My charts are not delayed because I pay for the premium on TradingView. It's just like YouTube has like 20 seconds of delay. So from when I see a chart or a price, you guys see it after 20 or 30 seconds after. Oh yeah, let's go Meta. This is why I like to trade off daily supports. And for FDX, I want to see FDX using this 230, 230, 250 as support also. But FDX could also be doing just an inside candle today, and then Monday could do a 3-bar play. But as long as it's holding 230, I like that chart. Let's go Meta. Let's go Meta. Okay. I'm glad that I trusted that 279 support on Meta. Okay. Okay. Now, like, zero DT, you're risky. You're risky. You guys like playing with fire. Zero DT. With zero DT, you can make a lot of money or you can lose a lot of money. Uh, Hell yeah, Meta. Love, love, love that chart. Okay, now SPY needs to use 434 as support. Yeah, reading candles, it's very, very, very important. It's not only support and resistance and knowing patterns like head and shoulder, bull flag. You That's why I always wait until candle closes because I want to know if the candle close, even if I had like let's just say here with Meta. Okay, Meta went down, but this candle is bullish. Even though it's under resistance, this candle is bullish. When you have a wick at the bottom, that's a rejection of that level. So pretty much a bounce there. Come on, Spy. I want to see you holding there. But meta contracts are not moving too good. Like I don't like how those contracts are moving. I might swing this meta play. Visa and Snow are the only green charts on my watch list. Everything else is red. Apple, let's see. Hmm. Oh yeah, look that Apple break and retest from 185. That was beautiful also. Yeah, beautiful. So the entry on Apple was here around 185. If you want to quick do like a quick play, just wait until for confirmation that Apple is using this morning high as support. But that's not a type of trade that I do. I like more entering at strong supports. Mm, um, the the contract's price depends of how big is the bid, but most of the time I do limit orders. Yeah, I don't trust market orders. Okay. Now QQQ it's at morning high. QQQ needs to break this. This is a resistance on QQQ. If QQQ breaks this morning high and use it as support, we're gonna go to at least 364 and then 366. And Meta is gonna run like hard. Um, go to my Discord and check my end of the day recap video from last night. I talk about AMD there. I said like I told you guys what is my play on AMD on that video. Mm-mm-mm. Okay, so see now, um, Meta is holding morning high as support. Your next resistance is pre-market high. So Meta play, it's up finally. FTX looking great. Meta looking great. QQQ not looking too good. The market looks like it stopped moving. Choppy, choppy, choppy day. Are you guys trading anything? Holding anything? Swinging anything? I don't like that QQQ is struggling too much to break 363. Meta, nice. Are you up on Meta? Apple at 185. Yeah, that was an amazing entry. Yeah, look that. I think I talked yesterday about that Apple 185 break retest. Definitely. Nvidia is very choppy, choppy today. But just like Meta, it looks good like on the bigger time frames. As long as it's holding 420, 421. Snow? What is the snow doing? Hmm. Okay, so snow broke the downtrend. It could like if above 124, 125 is bullish. And it changed direction. Now it's making higher lows, which is bullish. Yeah. I had this 174 support on snow, but I don't know why I didn't have my alert. Like this alert didn't pop off. I don't know why. So I'm gonna delete this one. But yeah, I think snow can, if the market help, snow could go back to 183, 184. Ooh, that's an ugly, ugly, ugly rejection on of that 434 resistance. Ooh, I'm falling asleep here. So yeah, the SPY so far, the daily candle looks bearish, clear rejection of 434. The daily candle on QQQ, it's just an indecision candle. Not doing anything, but it's as I think QQQ, as long as it's holding on the bigger picture, as long as it's holding 360, is bullish. Mm-mm. Okay, FTX. So FTX and HD had a bullish engulfing candle both at the same time. So maybe the Dow is moving higher. Let's see. No, no. But Dow stocks are the ones that are holding better. That FTX is holding, Visa is holding very good, HD, Target. This is so boring. So I think the play was to be patient and wait until SPY went all the way up to 434, fill that gap, and then play the rejection there. But um so yeah, I think I'm done for the day. So I'm gonna swing Meta as long as it keeps holding 279, 278. So that's gonna be that range. It's my so basically the support is my stop loss on Meta. If it holds, I'm gonna hold my calls from for next week. If not, I'm stopping out and get a red day. So yeah, for FedEx, I'm holding for next week unless it breaks um morning low. So put your stop loss. You know what's my plan. If you want to follow, you know what to do. I'm done for the day. Horrible Friday. Horrible way to waste your Friday here sitting there, sitting in front of the computer doing nothing. So, yeah, guys, see you next week. Like always, here from Monday till Friday before market opens. Thank you for being here. Bye.